gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post more videos on the way. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how I make my custom phone cases, and you can either use a sublimation printer or you can go buy a printer and convert it over to a sublimation printer. It's only certain printers that do that, and that's the route I went because it was cheaper. I found my printer at Home Depot for $250. It's a Workforce 7710. I'll try to link it down below. They also sell it on Amazon, but it was way higher than Home Depot. So if you can get lucky and get it at a Home Depot, I do suggest that. Then I went and bought these off of Amazon, I believe. They sell them on Amazon, but they also sell it on the Ink Pro website. But I really think I bought them off of Amazon. And basically it comes with these 4 colors, some needles, so you can like put it in these cartridges thingies. I'll put a picture up of what it looks like, and it's really easy to convert. There's a lot of videos on YouTube, and it takes, well, it took me a long time because I kept messing up, but it should take less than it took less than 10 minutes to put the inks in the correct like tube thingies, the correct cartridges thingies. And then I bought this heat transfer tape because you're gonna need to like tape this onto the designs you print out, and I'll show all this in a video. So you're gonna need some heat transfer tape. People do recommend getting heat transfer gloves, I think they're called, because this is hot once you like take it off, like take it out of the heat press. I don't have any yet. Right now I've just been using tweezers, but I might buy some gloves in the future. Of course you're gonna need some blanks. So let me see. I bought these ones off of Amazon only because somebody ordered them and I didn't, like I ran out of the ones I get from my vendor in China. And the ones I buy from my vendor, they're like maybe $1 each. I don't know. I bought like 50 of them, so they're cheaper. The more you buy, the cheaper they are. And these are the ones from my vendor. It's like the clear bumpers. I can get the white bumpers or the black ones. I just like clear so much better. And then I got these ones for $25 for 10 of them on Amazon. So if this is something you want to do for like your business, I do recommend finding a vendor, but I will link these ones down below that I got from Amazon. And then I also got some sublimation paper, and this is just like, I'm just trying to get it out my printer real quick and it's not coming. Okay. But this is like the instructions that it comes with. So like whatever you're going to be using. So if you want to make some tote bags, you're going to put your heat press on 400 and then press it for 45 to 55 seconds. And this is like the different pressures. I'm sorry, I'm like recording on my phone, so it's a glare. But whatever paper you buy, it should come with instructions and like what to press and the pressure and the seconds and all that. And then this is what the paper looks like. This is the back of it. This is this. I don't remember what size or how much it was, but I will find out and put that down below as well.